For this recipe, rinsing the chire or poha really well with water is very important. Thick home-set yogurt with bananas, mangoes and batasha for the sweetness is just perfect. Much before all these fancy breakfasts came about, doi chire or cheere and muri and chire, muri, khoi was always a part of Jolkhabar, whether it's breakfast in the morning or for an evening snack. So this was my Jolkhabar for most part of my growing up years, especially before going to school. I loved it. Doi chire with mango in season, otherwise with kola, bananas. After marriage, when I had made it once and I given it to Onindo, he looked at it and said that Manushera eta khaye, as if human beings don't eat this. But why don't you try it?